Ang kuan, natumba raman si Tita Jack. Hello guys! I'm playing for playground if you want to play. You should just download it. Zombie versus humans. There's a people playground. No, the zombie from Minecraft. Tita. Pizza guy. What? The 99 nights is there? We gotta run for our lives. Yeah. Da 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 dum dum da da da. All of your pistols, get out, sir. Busog ka? Dun, 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 dun. Boss, watch out! Oh, slam the head! Fast lunch. Yes, you want a bet here? Want a video? Launch attack! Guys, oh God, my son! Hey.
Nada sa basuhan pa.
Words, no questions din sana. Pero pwede bang makinig na lang ako sa mga kwento mo tungkol kay Emansky? I think that's how you call her, di ba? Emansky. Ang pet name ko kay Eman is Emansky.
Yo, kalan siya anak ko kay yung lalaki. Abi, kung lalaki no. Wag pa na ko kayo siya.
Pero okay lang.
Yo, nag-long
Jessica,
siya.
I'd like to think that my daughter had not been naive. She had a few attempts in the past. And my prayer to the Lord every single day was please not to
Ito
have
na
this.
yan, nani free for 2015.
Yet this happened. And I know that nothing happens as an accident. And I know that all things work out well. Everything's planned by the Lord. I know that this is not in vain. Emma did not die in vain. May dahilan at ang dahilan ng that gives me peace. How are you? How are you coping? I'm good. Kasi nandyan ka, may mga bisita kami ngayon sa bahay. And I'm good. Pero pain kasi comes in waves eh. Minsan biglang mapagsak. Pero okay ako. So, ayoko mag-isa. Dahil kung mag-isa ako, medyo mabigat. I look at social media because I get inspired. Sabi nga ng mga kaibigan ko huwag ka tumingin. Yung mga comments hindi ko binabasa, pero yung mga post binabasa ko. Because I can see that Eman's death has touched a lot of lives. At nagugulat ako, even Americans, even people from out of the country, are making comments about Eman and about she's touched their life.
How did you know kung anong siya husband mo?
Malakas si Feli. Feli's a very strong woman. Ano siya eh, ang way of coping ni Feli, she's very busy.
Babae po yung isa anak ka eh.
Details ng wake.
Babae.
Kasi pagliptip ng mga
Ang Brunei yung sa kalalaki,
ayos
dua
na
ka
bahay,
babae.
biyahe namin. Galing kami sa LA ng ilang araw eh. So that's what keeps her sane. It keeps her not grieving too much. Ako yung emotional sa pamilya. But right now, I'm good.
Yung mga anak mo.
They're good. Si Jose was, siya tumulong sa LA. Siya yung lumalagan ng mga ano, ng mga papeles doon. Doon kasi nakatira sa Amerika yun eh. Jose's very strong. And
Amerika po yun sa anak ko.
I saw as well. I raised very
Mga
strong
dato ganino.
kids.
Giniyahay,
Even
upuan,
Emma, I thought
lahi
was
po yun.
very strong, but I didn't know that
Isa naman
inside she was
yung
also
ano.
suffering. Kasi she put up a very strong front,
Nasa na kami na picture to na yun.
yet she was suffering. And she was,
Yun, nila nung maglalahi
Talk
ng mga.
about it. Alam ko
Dato
dun
mandalagan sa
sa
ano po yun.
interview ni
Mag-block kayo.
Tony Gonzaga, kwento niya na she was terrorized by her yaya.
you know, Jessica, we were keeping that secret because nalaman namin yung mga detalye niya. In one of her attempts in the past, meron siyang mga kinakausap na therapist at sinabi ng mga psychologist na ito ang cause niya, nagkaroon siya ng PTSD o post-traumatic stress disorder. At ang dahilan, ayun. At yung mga maraming bagay na kinuwento niya, and we were keeping that secret because we wanted to protect her. Nagulat na lang tayo, bigla nilabas pala niya sa interview. Hindi lang kay Tony niya nilabas niya. She kept on talking about it openly with passion.
Ang dili niya sa parents ginagawa siya ano sa lain.
That's when we thought that she's okay. Because despite her pain,
Makuan niyo doon sa siyang parents yung ano. Muna na sakon ta na sila ng parents. Nananday yan.
so we felt she was okay kasi
Nagdahon sila na okay siya.
kasi niya better.
Kung mo siya, lipay sa tanawin sa mga kon.
Totally depressed. Yun pala she was suffering. So, yung 2 years niya sa social media.
Buwi na, kuya yan yan no.
Maraming nakilala niya. Marami siyang nailabas na ganyan. But we were keeping secret as a family. But she was really, nilalabas niya eh.
Kim, sorry, pakikwento that day when you got the call.
Oh my gosh, Jessica. That day, 2 days before that, we knew that there was a problem. Emma texted her mommy. Sabi niya, Mom, I'm in an emergency right now, but worry not. There's no self-harm. But I need to go to a therapy center. So yun ang message namin. So we knew there was something wrong. We tried calling her, this possible. And then the next day, we tried calling her again, it was
Ano
possible.
siya rin ang pa-therapist lang
I was
sa
in the Philippines, Feli was in Florida. Meron siyang pickleball championship eh. Buti
Siya
na nasa Amerika na siya
nag-assume
matatapos. But I was
No.
waiting here.
Sa
And
lain
then
sa
on the second
fair.
day, I woke up in the morning. May message si Feli. I have terrible, terrible news. I knew already. Napanood ako ng lapot ng tuhod ko. Sabi ko, Lord, ito na. So I called Feli. And Feli said, Emma's gone. Nalapot ako. Naglamig ako.